Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are planning for the week of January 17th through January 23rd in my Catchall / personal planner. It doesn't really catch all that much. I did use it a lot more last week than I have before because I need to do things and I keep forgetting to do them. So, that's the point of the planner, right? So, gotta put them somewhere. Alright, so this is the third winter kit that I couldn't decide on. I basically flipped a coin like every week to see what I was going to use. So this kit's called Alpine. You guys have seen this before. This was one of the first things I ever ordered from DEK. And it was one of the Wednesday Hump Day Happy Mail kits, which you get for free if you spend X amount of dollars. I think it's 22. Which is really easy to do at their store, which is why I say get the rewards. Sign up for the rewards. There's a link in the description. Use the discount code that's in the description. Everything's in the description. So obviously I'm not going to use the people. We have date dots, which if I was using this for a monthly would be super helpful, but I am not. I have quite the collection of date dots. Let's see. I think last week we started with the day covers, and I think that's a good way to go. So we are going to do that again. Hope everyone's enjoying their freezing cold winter. I am not a fan of the cold and the dark and winter in general. So whenever I can brighten up my planners, make them sparkly, make them bright, make them not, dark winter colors, it's usually a good thing for me. Let's see. And this is particularly cute. And it has been snowing every few days. And it is cold. And it is still getting dark early, although not as early as it was in November. Thank goodness. So that's an improvement. We are slowly inching our way to springing forward. And it is very slowly, but we're getting there. Day by day, we're getting there. Okay. Alrighty, so we've got our days on, and they are sparkly. This is hollow foil, I think. I think it's just silver hollow foil. Not real sure because I got this so long ago, but that's pretty much what it looks like. There's so many cute stickers in this. I have to decide what to do. Alright, well, let's start with the side, I guess. Now, I did this last week, and this actually worked out pretty well for me. There's dot grid on there. You'd think I'd use it to help me line the stickers up. No, I just throw them down wherever I want. Except for today. Today I'm going to try to use them. And look at that. It helps. Alright. I finally had a good idea. Let's see. So last week I used glittery headers, right? Yeah. This kit has the bows. Last week's kit was, I think, a mini kit, and they don't really come with, they don't come with all of the sheets. They come with most of the sheets, but, mini kit. So not all of them. That could be cute. If we hang this under January, it would probably look cuter if it were straight. I wonder if I can get that up or not. I ripped my page. This is like stickiest sticker paper on earth. So luckily you get 2 in each color. Since I can't save that, we're going to discard it. And now we have to cover up the ripped page with this. Let's hope I can get it on straight that time. That looks kind of cute. It didn't quite cover the amount of space I hoped it did, but it looks cute, and now it covers up part of the page that I ripped. Oops. Come here. Okay. I'm just going to stick this decorative box down here. And I'm going to leave this too, like I did last week. Let's see. Oh, I see one I had pulled off. Oh, good. I didn't ruin it. That's good. Okay. So I need this for Tuesday afternoon. Let's see what else. Let's use some of these really pretty boxes. These two go together. So why don't we put them in the middle of the weekend? So I'll line them upright. Hopefully. So it might look like what they're supposed to look like. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. Right, I think I got it. That's cute, right? And so Tuesday is payday, which is always nice. And Wednesday is day Happy Meal, which is, the same place where I got this. So it's basically 2 days a week that they have sales, Wednesday and Sunday. And I always post them on my page, or on my Instagram page. So you can always come and see what they've got and what the discount is. That's adorable. Where can I put him? That's so cute. Yeah, little wolfy looking dog hanging out in front of the cabin or tent, whatever that is. Like these little bits of green. Oh, it's evergreen. There's a couple of those. They look cool. Let's see. Alright, I'll put one over here. I don't want to cluster them all together. So the 18th, one of my daughters starts back to school, college, and then the 19th, the other one starts back to college. And college will be held in my dining room, thanks to super fun COVID. So they're going to have things they're going to need me to do or get or whatever set up for school for them. No, you're crooked. No, close enough. Pretty much never use this. I don't know why. It's cute. I just never get around to using it. It is a lot of hollow foil, though. Hollow foil in one place. Other than, like, these 2 days, there's really not a whole lot going on this week. I'm going to put a checklist here. Here, in case something comes up. Let's rest this little bowl of pine cones here. That's cute. Right. And let's see, do I want to run the greenery or do I want to run the plaid? It's pretty much all greenery in this one, so let's go with greenery. Let's see if I can get it on the page. Sort of straight. Mostly straight, I think. I feel like I did this wrong. Put that one over there. A little crooked. Oh. Oh, that wasn't very nice of you to tear your neighbor like that. Okay. Monday is so empty, but there's nothing going on. I guess just in case something happens, because you never know. Let's throw that there, and we'll stick this here. Something's always bound to come up, right? This is feeling empty too. Nice loungy chair, an outdoor fire. Firewood to go next to the fire. And put a box in case something comes up over here. I technically Thursday or Friday I could use that box. Alright, so this kind of looks like crumpled up winter gear in the corner. I'm gonna stick that there. Yeah, I think that's good. This again is from DEK Designs. It's a kit called Alpine. It is available in the shop last I checked, and it's one of the larger kits. It does come with these people if you like that sort of thing, and if you wanted to use it for a monthly or a different kind of planner that's not Happy Planner, it does come with date dots too, because it's one of the bigger kits. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.